Hi, my name is Emmanuel Ikegwuonu. I'm a graduate of mechanical engineering from the University of Benin, and the purpose of this video is to tell you about myself and my motivation for applying to the DENSYS program. My interest in energy systems was born on a Friday night in 2021. Walking home through heavy rain and traffic, I observed floodwater rushing through drainage channels and realized that this was kinetic energy going to waste. I got home that night and sketched my idea for flood turbines, machines which could generate electricity from flood. I actually made a post about it on LinkedIn 5 years ago, and I began working through different concepts. My idea had been to have a network of flood turbines across Nigerian drainages, which would generate electricity to be fed to the grid. However, upon doing some research on the Nigerian power grid, I encountered a troubling statistic. You see, in 2021, Nigeria had a total installed grid capacity of about 13 gigawatts, of which only about 6 gigawatts was available for use, made worse by frequent grid collapses. Fast forward to this day, and the problem hasn't slowed down, with at least 12 grid collapses recorded in just 2024 alone. This problem led me to research potential solutions, where I learned about the important role of energy storage systems in improving grid stability and accelerating the adoption of clean off-grid solutions. From that point, I chose to specialize in energy systems, but with a strong focus on energy storage. To support this focus, I dedicated myself to developing technical capabilities with multiphysics tools. Thanks to these efforts, I have become proficient in computer-aided design using SolidWorks, finite element analysis using ANSYS Mechanical, computational fluid dynamics using ANSYS Fluent, systems modeling using MATLAB and Simulink, and additive manufacturing for rapid prototyping. I have successfully applied these technical skills in different professional settings to achieve impactful results. For example, as a research engineer under the Energy Commission of Nigeria, I applied these technical skills in the decentralization of a modular bioethanol distillation unit through solar thermal integration. And as a sub-team lead at a national electric vehicle design competition, I applied these skills in numerous areas ranging from vehicle dynamics and energy consumption modeling to battery pack sizing, thermal modeling and state of charge estimation, crash tests and safety analysis, and advanced 3D designs of parts and features like the battery pack, powertrain, and suspension system. Thanks to my efforts, we won the award as the overall winning team and the team with exemplary engineering prowess, and have transitioned to the next phase of building our electric shuttle concept. These projects not only helped me work on real-world problems, they also gave me experience working in multidisciplinary teams, which have prepared me for the case and challenge-based modules of the DENSYS curriculum. My most significant technical contribution so far has been in battery innovation. Recently, I explored an alternative battery cell geometry based on hexagonal packing and investigated its performance through thermal simulations using ANSYS Fluent. The results showed improved thermal uniformity and lower operating temperatures compared to conventional cylindrical cells, with performance gains increasing at higher charge and discharge rates. This concept has the potential to revolutionize battery energy storage systems in tropical regions like Nigeria. However, advancing it into a market-ready solution for electric vehicles and grid-scale storage requires access to advanced laboratory facilities and experimental resources. This is why the DENSYS program is essential to my development. The first year at Université de Lorraine will give me the necessary foundations in thermal management and energy storage for decentralized systems, while the specialization track at Politecnico di Torino will introduce me to courses such as battery assembly and BMS modeling, and facilities like the Game Lab, all of which will help me further develop my hexagonal cell concept and push other research goals in battery systems. My long-term goal is to build Centauri Energy, a company that will research and develop advanced thermal management solutions for energy storage systems operating in hot climates like Africa. This will help minimize the issue of faster cell degradation and aging, enabling the grid storage and electric vehicle industries in these regions to thrive. I see DENSYS as the essential launchpad for this goal because it will give me the ideal platform to deepen my technical expertise, expand my research capabilities, and prepare me to contribute meaningfully to the global energy transition. I sincerely hope that my application will yield a positive response, and I thank you for your time and your consideration.